In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Sendwave account. By the end, you'll have a working account ready to send money safely and quickly. First, download the Sendwave app from your device's app store. Search for the official app and check that the logo and developer look legitimate. A stable internet connection helps here, and it's best to avoid public Wi-Fi while setting up any financial app. Once the download finishes, you're ready to open it. Go ahead and launch the app. On first open, you may see prompts for permissions like notifications, contacts, or camera access. These support features such as verification and recipient management. You can allow what you're comfortable with now and adjust later in your device settings. Next, enter your information. Follow the on-screen fields and make sure every detail is accurate and matches your identification documents. Accuracy here prevents delays later if the app needs to confirm your identity. If you're asked to set a passcode or enable biometric sign-in, choose a secure option and keep it private. Now verify your phone number. The app will send a one-time code by text. Keep the app open, retrieve the code from your messages, and type it in exactly as shown. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a moment and request a new one, and make sure your device can receive SMS where you are. Never share verification codes with anyone. After that, add a payment method. Depending on your region, you can link a card or a bank account. Enter the details carefully and confirm the billing address matches your account profile. Sometimes a small temporary authorization may appear to confirm the card is valid. This usually clears automatically. Before you proceed, review any fees and exchange rates the app displays so you know the total cost. If the app asks you to verify your ID, complete that step to unlock higher limits and keep your account secure. Be ready to scan your government-issued ID and take a quick selfie. Use a well-lit area, hold documents steady, and make sure all text is clearly visible. Only submit documents within the app and wait for the confirmation message. Review can take a short time. You're now set to start sending money. Add a recipient, choose the destination and payout method, and enter the amount. The app will show the exact total, fees, and the exchange rate. Double-check the summary, then confirm the transfer. Your recipient details can be saved for faster sending next time. That's it. Your Sendwave account is ready. Keep the app updated, monitor your transactions, and use in-app support if you need help.